I got this Swiffer mop about 2 years ago to clean my wood floors, and it does a really good job. So it comes with these cleaners, which I didn't really love because they look more like they are disposable ones. So I ordered a set of these that go really well with the Swiffer, and I've been really pleased with it. It comes with some solution in here. When the solution was empty, you can refill it with the Swift solution, or you can make your own. I do my own. I just put water and a little bit of dish soap. So it's easy to take out. You just push this button and then it pops out. On the back here is where the battery is. So there is little Velcros on the back of the Swiffer, and then it just sticks right on those pads that I ordered. And then the little solution comes out of the purple holes on each side right there, and then it sprays it for you, and you can just start mopping. The solution bottle can be easily filled. The first twist is kind of hard, but then it just twists right off. You can put whatever solution you want in it and twist it back on and put it right back on the Swiffer. So I really love this mop. I think it does a great job, and I love these pads I got to go with it. They work really well. Good high quality. Definitely am pleased.